Biology students in William Penn University's Health and Life Sciences Division have been adding specimens to their vertebrate collection for over 100 years. Spencer Medlin, a senior who has spent the last 3 years collecting various samples for the collection, says this gives students a chance to preserve a piece of Iowa's natural history for future generations.
At the rate animals are dying nowadays, preserving these fish, who knows, in 100 years those fish might not be around and we'll be the only ones with them in our collection. So that's pretty cool.
Assistant Professor of Biology Pete Aralde says once the samples are gathered and properly labeled, they must be turned into study skins, which is like taxidermy. However, instead of making the animals look like they did in life, the main point of study skins is to give students an up-close look and a chance to learn more about the animal and its habitat.
For a lot of them, sometimes, working hands-on with the animals and learning the anatomy as they're skinning them and the preparation for doing the taxidermy is something completely new for them. And so it's a chance to give them a new experience that, a lot of times students walk away from a project like this and say, oh yeah, I thought I knew about weasel anatomy or the way duck feathers lay, but then I actually worked with one for an hour and I feel like I know it so much better now.
Aralde says this ability to use the animal for years after its death to help educate future generations about it is a huge benefit to the scientific community and outweighs the cost of taking the animal's life.
One of the first questions, not from biologists, but from the general public is, oh, did you kill these animals? Well, yeah, some of them. Some of them I got during hunting season, and yeah, I ate that one. It was a great dinner. Oh, and I also saved the skin, and I've been teaching students for the last 7 years how to identify this animal and learn about its habitat and stuff like that. So in that case, I think, yeah, it's a good thing.
For WPNN, I'm Jimmy Ott.